Struggling to get your mix sounding clean, wide, and professional? What if I told you there is a free plugin that does it all, from gain staging, stereo widening, phase correction, and more? So guys, meet Protility, your new secret weapon for effortless mixing. And the best part, this plugin is totally free. So if you're interested to check it out, sit tight as we dive in. Protility is an all-in-one utility plugin from Process.audio designed to handle essential mixing tasks without the need for multiple plugins cluttering your chain. Whether you are adjusting gain, fixing phase issues, or tightening up your stereo image, this lightweight powerhouse does it all. So let's go through the features this plugin came with. Gain staging and trimming. This feature helps in adjusting levels with precision to avoid distortion and clipping, followed by the panning and stereo weights. This one places sound exactly where they need to be in the mix and widen your track for more depth. Phase flipping and correlation meter. This feature dictates and fixes phase issues instantly. And finally, you can see high pass filtering, which cleans up your low end and make room for punchier bass and kick drums. Alright guys, just listen to the difference between using Protility and without using Protility. One of my favorite features in Protility is its stereo weight control. It allows you to mono your bass, keeping those low frequencies tight and centered, while expanding the rest of your mix for a spacious, immersive sound. Let's check it out. With just a few tweaks, you can go from a flat narrow mix to something that sounds full and professional. Now, what's even better is Protility works with all major DAWs, whether you are on Ableton Live, FL Studio, Logic Pro, Pro Tools, or anything else. It supports VST2, VST3, AU and AAX formats, so no matter your setup, you are covered. And that reminds me, if you like working in light or dark mode, Protility lets you choose the interface that suits your vibe. As you can see, with this knob here, you can switch between the dark and the white mode, depending on what you want. Alright, under the phase feature, if you want to invert the phase signal using this plugin, simply use this feature here, this button, as you can see, to enable it and disable it, and also to unlink both the left and the right. If you want to know what each feature is for, just hover your mouse and come down to this section where you'll see the information about that feature, as you can see. Alright, now to get a copy for yourself, all you need to do is to head over to the Process.audio website, hit download and start using it. Completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just a powerful plugin ready to take your mixes to the next level. Alright, that is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and let me know in the comments what's your favorite free mixing plugin. And if you want more pro tips for improving your mixes, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and now go make some killer music. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.